Indesit tumble dryer idca 8350BH, UK, runs 5 mins, then all lights along top row start flashing.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. When all the lights at the top flash, look at the row of LEDs on the far right, you will see 6 lights going down. Number them from top to bottom with 1 at the top. Let me know which lights are lit when the top row is flashing. Regards.
None. Just top row. I disconnected heater element and stats and ran tumble dryer again, no problems. Heater 80 ohms. Meter reading approximately 25 VDC. Connected heater again. Restarted dryer, reading 5V, then relay clicks, lights start flashing, reading changes to plus 50 volts.
Hi, okay, if the row of lights are flashing but none of the LEDs are lit on the far right, then it's not reporting an error code. As for the error code, certain lights will be lit up. All this can be is control board if the LEDs are flashing but it's not giving the error code. As you say, the heater is fine and I'm sure you will have checked the thermostats on the top. There are 2 thermostats and an NTC sensor. Now the thermostats will give a closed circuit reading but the NTC will be a ohms reading. Usually about 20 ohms. Just check that and see if it's okay. I'm pretty sure it will be, as if that fails it will give an error code by the lights lit up. If the heater and thermostats are fine, then it will be the control board at the bottom at fault. It won't be anything else for this fault, but when you replace it you also need to get the board programmed, as they are sold blank, so you need to either buy the programming software as well, which is very expensive, or get Hotpoint on their free 5 years part where you pay the labor, which is £110. This will be a lot cheaper than you buying the board and the software to program it up. Sorry, it's not good news, but if Turi's flashing lights with no error code, then it's the control board at the bottom that causes this, I'm afraid. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.